Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for urban farming and vertical gardening business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, let's enter the website. Now create new site. Now enter your business type, urban farming. So let's choose this. Now let's continue. If you want to skip, you can skip from here. Now enter your business name, any business name, type any business name you want. You can change it anytime you want. Now if you want to add something to your website, so let's go to the dashboard. Now preparing the dashboard, wait a few seconds. Now design your site. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. Wait a few seconds. Here enter your information, your name, email and address and the phone, and here if you want to add a social link. So let's move on. Here pick a theme you like, so for example this. Pick your favorite homepage, so for example this. Here if you want to add page to your site, so I'm gonna choose them all. Now your site is ready, is running. Now if you want to edit more your website, here is the homepage design, the homepage website. This is the settings of your website. You can add elements here. So the first element is the text, the theme text. Here if you want to edit the size or the shape of the text, the titles and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the next element, the image. Here if you're looking for something, here if you want to upload image, or if you want to import image, here if you want free Wix image, free Wix illustrations. So let's move on to the next elements, the buttons elements. Same the buttons, text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons and document buttons and iTunes buttons and the Wix chat buttons. So here you can edit the size or the shape of the buttons. Just select any button you want and put it on your website, and it will be done. So let's move on to the strip elements. Here classic or featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials and theme. Just select any one you want here and put it on your website, and it will be done. So let's move on to the decorative elements, the shapes. Here your lines, the themed lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines, the vertical lines. Here the vector art, the future, the icons, animals and nature, and the logos and the badges, the characters, and the last thing is the video box and the video mask, transparent video. And let's move on to the boxes sections, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. Just select any one and put it on your website. Here the galleries, the recommended galleries, the pro galleries, the guide galleries, the slider galleries. If you wanna add something on your website, just hold on it and put it here. Here if you want to show more galleries, and that's it. Let's move on to the menus and anchor. The same menus. If you want to add some same menus, if you want to select some same menus or horizontal menus or vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu. And the last thing here is search, the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms. Here is all the forms you have: the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, application forms, feedback and request, and waiver and subscribe forms. So just select any one you want and put it on your website, easy and quick. So that's it. Here the Google Maps. If you want to add maps, normal maps or full width maps. So that's it. Let's move on to the chat here. The chat elements. You can add the Wix chat button or here the line button. So let's move on to the video and music. Here you can edit your video elements or your music elements. So let's move on to the here interactive, the slideshows, full width slideshows, the box slideshows. Here the light boxes. You can edit the light boxes. Here the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs, the repeaters, the over repeaters. So let's move on to the list, the over repeaters, the blank repeaters. Here just select any repeater you want and put it here on your website. So let's move on to the embed code, custom popular embeds. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to do a video, single video players. Here the audio section, audio elements. You can edit the audio elements, the advanced elements, marketing tools, and value dev mode. And the last element is the animation. Here you can edit your animation elements. So let's move on to the social bar. Here you can edit your social bar. You can add all these, just put it on your website. Here if you want to add Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line or YouTube, you can just hold on it and put it here or on your website. So let's move on here, the payments. If you want to edit your payment sections, the CMS. Here you can easily manage your site content, the blog, the store. Here you can edit your store elements, the bookings. Also you can edit your bookings elements, your related elements, and the pricing plans, and the events and the communities. And the last thing is your designs. So here if you want add sections, just select any section you want here and put it on your website. Here if you want to add page and menu, select any page and menu, and that's it. Here if you want to design your site, you can customize your site design, color theme, or the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. So let's move on to the here if you want to add apps. Here you can manage your business section. So let's move on here, the media. You can upload your media, or if you want to edit images and videos. Also here if you want looking for, if you're looking for free Wix images or free Wix videos. So let's move on to the CMS. Here easily manage your site content, and the last thing is marketing and SEO. So that's it. Now after you end done from editing and designing your website, all you have to do is publish it. Click here and you're gonna publish your website, and easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.